Hello guys, we use smartphone Huawei Y5 version 2018 years. Start unpacking. Device. The blue color. In completion we have protected film, quick guide, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all. Completion without headphones, but with protected film. Okay, that's all completion and key for SIM slot. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the front side we have 5.5 inch display, front camera, talk speakers and sensors. On the left side slot. Open the slot. This slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side volume buttons and power button. On the downside micro USB port and microphone. Upside headphone jack. On the back side camera and LED. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings. Look Android version. About phone. Version Android 8.1.0. Model DRA L21. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6739. This is quad-core processor. CPU speed 1.5 GHz. GPU PowerVR GE 8120 to 8100. Okay, RAM memory 2 GB, internal memory 16 GB. Look CPU results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Next test Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu score. Ranking code. Test multi-touch. Device support 5 touches. Ranking. My device and top 50. Okay, close this and open GTA San Andreas game test. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Offline. Settings. Settings level medium. This is default level. GTA San Andreas load. Okay, works with little legs. Notice normal legs, not little. Go display setup, graphic level low, and resume game. On the low graphic level game works not bad, but on the medium level or high graphic level game works not bad, unplayable. On the low graphic level we can play GTA San Andreas. Okay, close GTA San Andreas and open camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.